going on, everybody? Have you ever walked outside and then saw that and thought, son of, and then follow that with some curse words? Well, obviously today I have a flat tire, and I'm pretty sure I have a nail in the tire somewhere. I don't see it along there, but I bet it's down there. So let's see if we can find that nail, and then I'm gonna show you how to plug it. Yes, I know there are a bunch of videos out there showing you how to plug it, but there's not one of me doing it. So okay, so it looks like I have a nail right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some pliers, gonna go ahead and pull that out, and then we're gonna take this here kit and we're gonna use this kit to plug that hole. Now if it's from here out, you do not want to. Now you can do it, but it's not recommended. I've done it before. Couldn't afford tires, had a nail over here. I did it, it worked fine, but it's not recommended. Now if you do not have the space available like I do, where I have all of this area and everything, like if you're dealing with a car, you're going to want to remove your tire. It's going to allow you to be able to do what you need to do. But also, whenever you do that, you need to make sure you have a way to air up that tire, whether it's taking it up to the gas station to air it up or something. You're gonna need something to air that tire back up once you've removed it and plugged it, because you're gonna remove the item that is technically holding back a lot of the air. So once you remove that, all of the air is going to come out if it hasn't already. So keep that in mind. I'm going to be leaving mine on the vehicle because I have great access just like right here. So let's pull this thing out real quick. Okay, so we're just going to remove this here plug. You just need something that, here, let me move you back so I can get up in here. Just need something you can get up in here and grab it with. And grab it good too, because see here, you hear all that air coming out? So this is what was up inside there. Not sure where I picked it up at, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna plug it. Okay, so the plug, it was right, the nail was right here. So what you're gonna wanna try to do is, and this is the reason why you want it off, so that you can get all the leverage you need. But this is also the reason why I'm leaving it on, because I should be able to push it. Yeah, let me get y'all over here. So I have this space here. So you're gonna you're basically reaming out this hole. So if you gotta twist it to get in, that's fine. But you wanna clean up this hole and prepare it for, now they got two different sizes, but I'm actually gonna use the short one because it's not that big of a deal. And so you're just gonna shove it through there like that, get it about halfway roughly. You know, you're gonna be going in like this, so roughly about halfway. This isn't necessary to do, but because they have it, I'm gonna use it. But they have this rubber cement, and I'm just gonna apply a little right there. It ain't nothing major. I just want a little on here, to probably doing it all wrong, but that's okay because it's however I want to do it. So now when you're doing this, you got to commit. It's gonna be hard, so do not expect it to be easy. Hang on, y'all are up in the way. There we go. Yeah, now twist it. That's gonna break it free, and then pull it right on out. And as you see, it has this little separation at the end that allows it to bypass it. So now we have this done. What we need to do is actually cut off the remaining. I don't have a deal, so I'm hoping that this will do the trick. Oh, sorry guys. There we go. There we go. So you just want to remove that so it's just not hanging off. I mean, honestly, you can just drive it along and it'll eventually just wear away. And a lot of times that's what I do, but I wanted to show you the proper way, what you're actually supposed to do. So now that that's done, let's air up the tire and see if it's still leaking. So as you can see, it is quite easy to do. This was actually quite a short video. As you can see, that's how easy it was. It'll all be dependent upon the strength that you have and the leverage that you're able to use against the tire. So if you have the ability to take your tire off, like I said, take it off to do it. It's going to be far easier. But if you do not have the ability to, and you have space like I do, then it is fully capable. You are fully capable of doing it with it on there. But it may be a bit challenging, like I said. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll be putting out some more videos here soon. I have a couple other videos I put out, but they were kind of, or I haven't put out, but I made. They were kind of crappy, what I believed would be crappy, so I didn't put them out. But yeah, we'll be getting back to our regular scheduled programming here very soon.